In the world of finance and investing, few names carry as much weight and wisdom as Warren Buffett. Often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett has amassed an incredible fortune by making shrewd investment decisions and adhering to a disciplined strategy. As we find ourselves in the midst of the 2024 recession, there is no better time to turn to Buffett for guidance on how to not only weather the storm, but also potentially capitalize on it. In this video, we will delve into Warren Buffett's time-tested principles and insights to discover how you can use the 2024 recession as an opportunity to build wealth. One of the key lessons we can glean from Warren Buffett's success is the importance of patience. Buffett has consistently emphasized the need for investors to take a long-term view of their investments. In the face of a recession, it can be tempting to panic and sell off assets in a bid to mitigate losses. However, Buffett's approach is to remain calm and patient. During the 2008 financial crisis, Buffett famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." This mantra underscores the idea that recessions often present unique buying opportunities. By staying patient and looking beyond short-term fluctuations, you can identify undervalued assets that have the potential for significant growth when the economy rebounds. Warren Buffett has consistently invested in high-quality companies with strong fundamentals. When the market is in turmoil, it's more important than ever to focus on the underlying strength of the businesses you are investing in. Look for companies with competitive advantages, strong balance sheets, and a history of generating consistent cash flows. During a recession, many companies may see their stock prices decline, but those with solid fundamentals are more likely to weather the storm and emerge stronger on the other side. Buffett often advises investors to invest in businesses they understand and believe in for the long term. By doing so, you can avoid the pitfalls of chasing speculative investments that may not survive the recession. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is known for its substantial cash reserves. Buffett recognizes the value of having a war chest of cash available during times of economic uncertainty. In a recession, having cash on hand can provide you with the flexibility to take advantage of attractive investment opportunities when others are struggling. During the 2024 recession, it's essential to maintain a conservative approach to your finances. Build up your cash reserves and resist the temptation to overextend yourself with debt or illiquid investments. By doing so, you'll position yourself to capitalize on opportunities that arise as the recession unfolds. While Warren Buffett is known for making concentrated investments in companies he believes in, he also advocates for diversification as a risk management strategy. Diversifying your investment portfolio across different asset classes and industries can help mitigate risk during a recession. In the 2024 recession, it's crucial to assess your current portfolio and ensure that it's adequately diversified. Diversification not only helps spread risk, but also provides the potential for gains in different sectors, even when some may be underperforming. Buffett suggests that investors should never put all their eggs in one basket and encourages a well-balanced approach to investing. The age-old investment adage of buy low, sell high is a principle that Warren Buffett has followed throughout his career. Recessions are characterized by falling asset prices, and this presents an excellent opportunity to buy assets at a discount. During the 2024 recession, keep a watchful eye on the market for quality assets that have been unjustly beaten down by panic selling. By purchasing these assets at a lower price, you set yourself up for potential capital appreciation when the market eventually recovers. Buffett's approach is to avoid trying to time the market perfectly, but to focus on the underlying value of the assets. This means buying when you believe an asset is undervalued relative to its long-term potential, rather than attempting to predict the exact bottom of the market. Warren Buffett is known for his voracious appetite for reading and research. He spends a significant amount of time studying companies, industries, and economic trends. In the 2024 recession, staying informed and doing your homework is more critical than ever. Recessions can be complex and unpredictable, and the factors driving them may vary widely. By staying well informed about the economic landscape and the industries you're invested in, you can make more informed decisions. Remember that knowledge is power, and the more you understand about the forces at play, the better equipped you will be to navigate the recession successfully. Emotions often run high during times of economic uncertainty. Fear and panic can lead investors to make impulsive and irrational decisions. Warren Buffett is famous for his unflappable demeanor during market downturns, and he advises others to follow suit. In the 2024 recession, it's crucial to keep your emotions in check and avoid making knee-jerk reactions. Stick to your investment strategy and long-term goals. Buffett recommends that investors should not be influenced by short-term market volatility and should instead focus on the fundamentals of their investments. Recessions are often characterized by increased market volatility. Prices can swing wildly from day to day, creating both risks and opportunities. Warren Buffett's approach to volatility is to embrace it as a part of investing. During the 2024 recession, be prepared for increased market turbulence and fluctuations in the value of your investments. Understand that volatility is a natural part of the investment landscape, and it can provide opportunities to buy or sell assets at favorable prices. Dividend-paying stocks can be a valuable addition to your portfolio during a recession. These stocks provide a regular stream of income, which can be particularly reassuring when other sources of income may be uncertain. Warren Buffett has often invested in dividend-paying companies, appreciating the reliability of income they provide. During the 2024 recession, consider adding dividend stocks to your portfolio, focusing on companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and strong financials. During recessions, there is often a temptation to chase after speculative investments that promise quick and substantial returns. Warren Buffett strongly advises against this approach. Speculative investments can be highly risky and may lead to significant losses. Instead, stick to your investment strategy and focus on quality assets with a proven track record. Avoid the lure of get-rich-quick schemes and stay disciplined in your approach to investing. Warren Buffett has often stressed the importance of paying attention to the valuation of assets. In a recession, it's essential to assess whether the prices of assets accurately reflect their intrinsic value. During the 2024 recession, take the time to evaluate the valuation of your investments. Are they trading at a discount to their intrinsic value, or are they overpriced? Buffett's philosophy is to buy assets when they are undervalued and sell when they become overvalued, regardless of short-term market sentiment. Dollar-cost averaging is an investment strategy that involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money, regardless of market conditions. This approach can be particularly effective during a recession when market prices may be unpredictable. Instead of trying to time the market perfectly, dollar-cost averaging allows you to take advantage of market downturns by buying more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. This strategy can help reduce the impact of market volatility on your portfolio and potentially enhance your returns over the long term. Warren Buffett's decades of experience in the world of investing have taught him valuable lessons from past recessions. One of the key takeaways is that recessions are a natural part of the economic cycle, and they eventually give way to periods of growth. During the 2024 recession, it's essential to keep in mind that this too shall pass. History has shown that economies have rebounded from downturns, and markets have eventually recovered. By learning from past recessions and understanding their cyclical nature, you can maintain a long-term perspective and avoid making rash decisions based on fear. While Warren Buffett's insights are invaluable, it's also important to recognize when professional financial advice is necessary. Complex financial situations may require the expertise of a financial advisor or investment professional. If you're unsure about how to navigate the 2024 recession, or if you have specific financial goals and challenges, consider consulting with a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance tailored to your unique circumstances and help you make informed decisions. Throughout the 2024 recession, it's crucial to stay committed to your long-term financial goals. Whether your objective is to build wealth, save for retirement, or achieve a specific financial milestone, maintaining your focus and discipline is key. Warren Buffett's success is a testament to the power of patience, discipline, and a commitment to long-term goals. Despite the challenges that recessions may bring, staying true to your financial objectives can help you weather the storm and emerge stronger on the other side. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video.